Morena. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah! Another day, another carving stream. Kei te pēhia tātou katoa. Hello, hello, hello. YouTube though, they popped up first. God damn, much appreciated to Arthur Morgan being our first comment of the day. Much appreciated, my brother. And then what's up to Valda over on YouTube as well. Kia ora to Bashak on Twitch. Kia ora to NZ Tiki. Kia ora. Sub Wallbop and brother Holwick. What's goody, guys? How we doing? Whee! So if you weren't in the stream yesterday, we smashed all of that out yesterday. It was fun. It was a fun stream. Hey, we got quite a bit done, eh? I think after stream today, I'm gonna go straight to the gym. Straight to the gym after the stream, get some cardio in before I do school pickups. And take my kids to the park. How are we doing today? I'm just rubbing out all the pencil marks right now. There might be some that might not come off, so we'll just go over it with a chisel. Nothing too crazy. Had a lot of fun on this yesterday. For sure. You had a lot of fun doing all that yesterday. It's pretty solid. But we'll look over it one more time just in case there's like little bits here and there just that we need to take off. Beautiful work. Thank you, brother. Yeah, so we started designing yesterday. Yesterday? Or this whole thing. Are you part of it? Nah, bro. I wish. Nah. Just got friends in there, brother. Oh, I need that there. Hold on, shit. Right. Oh gosh, what was that? No, what's happening to OBS? Hey, morning, Low Gains. Morning, brother. Not trying to be rude, but what is it? Ahoy, a pedal. It's for a birthday. Not typically the shape that I do, but it's just following the blueprint of my uncle's one. Pretty much. But with a bit of me in it, you know? Yeah. So it's just gonna be a bit of a cleaning stream today. Slow and easy one. And we'll get into it. What's going on with OBS right now? To head to bed. No, it's all good, Chief. No, go to bed, brother. Go to bed. You watch the Fallout show? Yeah, bro. I smashed it all in one day. Smashed it all out in one day, my bro. That's how good it is. You watch Invincibles? Nah, I just wanted to watch Fallout pretty much. Fallout's all I really wanted to watch. Nothing else. Have you played? No, I haven't played Fallout 1 and 2. Those are the only ones I haven't played, and New Vegas. I should play them, but yeah, at the same time, you know, I don't have time to play games all the time. So I kind of just play what I can. You ever thought of passing this art through the next generation? That's how this art form's been passed down in our culture. This is all generational knowledge. Pretty much. Hello, Stalrom. Just wanted to pop in and say morning to brother and have a blessed day. You too, brother Bean. You have a good day too, my bro. It's coming out quite well, yeah, brother. You watched The Walking Dead? I kind of stopped watching it. When did I stop watching it? The season after Negan, all that stuff, it just got boring to me. It got really boring. However, I did enjoy the Telltale Walking Dead games, bro. Those are so good, eh? Those are such good games, bro. I have never been attached to a gaming character in a long time, and Clementine definitely did that to me. Just one of those characters you must protect at all costs type thing. So if you are new to here, kia ora, hello. My name's Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. Have been doing this since the age of 12. And it's what I been doing full time as well. Holy copium. Thank you very much for the tier 1 getting us started for the day, my bro. Kia ora. Cheers, Steel Tsunami. Much love from New Jersey. What's up, brother? I stopped after they lost the prison. Oh, yeah. What's goody, Joe? Yeah, just I just wasn't feeling it anymore, eh? So I just stopped watching it fully. Could only listen to Rick say, "Where's Carl?" so many times. Where's Carl? I think I only ever enjoyed watching Daryl. Daryl is such a badass character, man. Because he's got his own standalone show as well, eh? Like he's in Paris or something? I believe. Hey, what's good, Joe? What's up, Rubes up? Hey, much love to Stevie Seagull. Yeah, I couldn't watch it anymore. What's up, Maple? It sort of picks up towards the end, but it's a long mini seasons. Oh, yeah. What's up, Zeke? The Telltale games are amazing. Bro, oh, I love those games, eh? We played them all. So they were always on my radar. And then I ended up copying, like, the first Walking Dead ones. And then I was playing it one night and Telltale dropped into the stream. And they ended up giving me codes for all the Batmans and Wolf Among Us. Wolf Among Us was amazing too. I really enjoyed Wolf Among Us. Looking forward to the second one too. What's your preference, coffee or tea? Probably a long black in the morning and probably a tea at night. Yeah, I enjoyed the Batman ones. But with my playthrough, a lot of chat were a bit iffy when I would ask them what I should do. Because I always went for the spicy decisions. There was even a point where, you know, when you're at the orphanage or whatever, the juvie place, and I let the wannabe cool guy get captured and someone got so pressed they unfollowed me. Bro, it was the funniest thing through that whole playthrough. Someone got mad because I didn't save him. That was the funniest shit ever, man. And even in the part with Kenny when he's fighting with their girl. And I asked Chet, who should I save, Chet? Yeah, I asked him, who should I save? I'm like, oh, save Kenny. And for pure entertainment purposes, I shot Kenny. It was funny. And then Chet started to realize what my playthrough was gonna be. Like, we can't trust him. He'll kill anyone. I went for the options that created more drama, to be honest. And it was so good. You follow NRL just a little bit? Nah, I don't play RuneScape, brother. Pan2, thank you for the... Hey, happy G-Day, brother! Thank you very much for the 1 year as an Optimus Prime, my bro. I appreciate the auto high and sticking it out with me for a whole year as well, my bro. Thank you very much for staying, my bro. Much appreciated, brother. And happy birthday. What's up, what up? Also, chat. Also. So. I've been heavily invested in the WNBA drama. And I ain't gonna lie, man, I'm on Caitlin Clark's side, eh? I'm so on Caitlin Clark's side. I've just been a little bit invested in all of that unfolding. Hope you're doing well. I'm doing all good, brother Chris. Yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie. Caitlin Clark, she's definitely being treated poorly, I would say. Yo! Saifio, thank you very much for the brand new Optimus Prime, my bro. If we hit 1K today, I'll do air guitar. Does anyone else watch WNBA? Hello there, Demic. Oh! Okay, the sun's on the screen. But thank you very much to Devil's Reject for the Optimus Prime. And hey, cheer brother unprivileged. How you been, bro? My guy. Good to see you, brother. Thank you for the 30 months, my bro. How long have you been carving wood? Since I was 12 years old. Cheer, brother, unprivileged swine. Good to see you, my bro. Good to see you, brother. Hope you're healthy and well, brother. How'd the wedding go? Oh, bloody amazing, my bro. Had a cry. Had a really good kai too. Food. All in all, bro, everyone left happy. There was no drama whatsoever. Like, no fighting. Everyone was on a high. And I couldn't be more grateful, my bro. And then as soon as the wedding and the party was finished, we went home. Bro, we crashed right out. Hey, what's up, Shaka? Everyone was like, so what did you do as a married couple on the first night? I said, bro, we went straight to bed. Even my cousins are going, hey, what did you do the next morning? They said me, oh, I had a giant shit. What were you expecting? The sporty thing I watch is drifting. Oh, yeah. One of my boys actually got me into cars. He's a drifter for Hoonicorn. Bloody Hoonigan, sorry. So I started watching Ken Block and Daigo Saito. They're two of my favorite drifters, along with the bro. Yeah, so we just finished this all yesterday. To those that weren't here, what I'm currently doing is just doing a few little things here and there before we move on. Yeah, we just pushing. Could possibly be going to TwitchCon this year. How you feeling? Yeah, not too bad. A bit on the cold side, but you know, keep moving. I'm here to entertain and show you guys a bloody good time and get this work done at the same time. But yeah, majority of it is it's pretty much done, and then we move up to here. But before we start designing this, we've got to sort out the teeth, bevel the mouth, and then we'll look at every other spot too. Looks mean. Hey, thank you, my bro. Thank you, Hawaiian Bollocks. Yeah, so on this side here, I decided to do a design called Rauponga. Rauponga is the fern, so you can kind of see how a fern grows. That's what this imitates here. And then I just did the standard taratara hakai design on the other side. Yo, Pan2, thanks for gifting someone a sub, brother. If you do get a gifted here on Twitch, that is, please give a thank you. I do apologize, YouTube, that I got no emotes for you guys to post. I'm still trying to figure out how to YouTube in terms of that kind of stuff. What kind of varnish we use? I'm not sure yet. I haven't really gotten to that point yet. We'll see though. We'll see. There's many to choose from in my arsenal, I would say. Yeah, decided not to wear my wedding ring today. Morena. Especially when I'm doing this straight after stream, or when I go to the gym, get in a cardio session, and then spend the rest of the afternoon with my kids. So we're flowing today. We ended up going to the Lion Park yesterday. Yo, what's up, brother Chris? Oh, I'm getting my jacket. I'm getting cold. Alright. I think that's enough A non-glossy? I don't know. We'll see. Maybe, maybe not. Feel blessed to calm the whole day. Cheers, Steve. What's up, brother Rio? Nah, as long as you're all good, brother. Remember, guys, mental health is wealth. If you are feeling down, you can talk here. If you don't want to, reach out to someone that will help, okay? It's good to see you still woodworking. Love from the USA. I appreciate that, brother. Yeah, my bro. Even if I'm, you know, well and truly when Brox is a forgotten name, I'll most likely still be carving, brother. The plan is to keep carving till I can't hold these tools no more. Well, that's the plan. That's the plan, my bro. That's the plan. Is high detail important? Oh, this I wouldn't even consider this high detail. It's just detail. Did you go bowling in the end? Yeah, absolutely destroyed them, bro. 150 to like. What did my big girl get? Like 20. Other one got 5. Destroyed them, bro. Yeah, we went to go do some fun at the arcade after that. At the time zone. It was fun. Fun little day out. I swear though, time zone prizes are so expensive when it comes to like tickets. Like for a Funko Popper was like, how much was it? Like 5,000 tickets. Yo, TK, thank you for the Optimus Prime, my bro. How do you have outlook on life? Since 2021, things have been getting worse and worse, and it's hard to pull out of it. I think, well, I look at my life too, brother, and I've been in the same situation, you know? It gets harder and harder. There seems to be no change. But I've always thought, you know, the biggest enemy in our lives are our own minds, not even people, it's ourselves. And as soon as, you know, you stop letting that way of thinking dominate your mind, sometimes you just gotta take a deep breath, brother, and say, fuck it. I've had a lot of fuck it moments and just done my own thing. Even these days, you know, I still have my bad days. I'm not invincible, brother. I'm only human. I'm only human, brother. But I guess, you know, when I'm in a rut, I have some of those things that help me get out of it. The biggest one being my kids and my wife. Because they're the ones that'll normally know if I'm, you know, feeling down. Physically, it's being at the gym. Just go for hours on end there. Just putting yourself through that pain and, you know, pushing out all that hara or the bad vibes or bad thoughts that you have through training. How are they gonna be an arcade with no fighters? Yeah, I think they only got Tekken. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 Kyle. Thank you for the 6 months in advance, brother. Appreciate that, my bro. I was gifted a sub yesterday, yeah, most likely from, yeah, it would have been yesterday because everyone was going crazy yesterday. I really want to go to either New Zealand or Australia one day because the architecture is beautiful, but the cost of flights is expensive. Yeah, it's only getting worse here too. Like cost of living, groceries and all that. It's yeah, it's not the greatest here. Like, don't get me wrong, the scenery is amazing, but yeah, everything else outside of the scenery is whew. That's why I'm like saving up. That's why I'm like trying to save up for a honeymoon, even though it's gonna be a local one. Self-talk can be good and bad, no doubt about it. Worse than others can do. Yo, yo. So I'm just cleaning up these teeth. How's your thing coming along, Thunder? If I started crying again when I saw the latest episode of One Piece, especially with Bro's backstory. Fuck, it's so sad, man. He instantly became one of my favorite characters after their backstory. Oh, Bartholomew Kuma. Is that an anime? Ah, yeah, anime. But I read One Piece, so I kind of knew it was coming. But they just aired the episode yesterday. But yeah, it's one of the saddest character stories in One Piece, in my opinion. Alright. 99% has still got things to do. Hook up the power. Oh, yeah. Gotta find out how you, my bro. Yo, McWillis, yeah, I'm doing good, my brother. Che. No mind, my bro. February, but the cost. How much are the cost for, like, Elimination Chamber? I'm guessing costs for those will be crazy now, eh? With all the All the recognition WWE gets these days. I remember going to my first show, but we didn't. We were like up in the nosebleeds, kind of. I remember when I saw fuck, what's your name from ECW? Is it Kelly Kelly? They did like a undressing thing. I was like, what the fuck? It was cool seeing it was when Undertaker and Batista were beefing that long ago. It was just to watch Kuma backstory. Oh, bro, I couldn't handle it, eh? Especially when they were beating them up, I was like, oh, fuck, my heart is sinking, bro. And it's only gonna get harder. Yeah, 2006 and 7, around that time. That's when I went to my first, like, WWE live show. It was cool, it was pretty cool. It's pretty much when, is it ECW made a bit of a comeback, eh? ECW! ECW! I remember meeting Sabu for the first time. Real humble fella. Humble is. Very approachable. Nice is. And fuck, who else? Oh, there's quite a few. I remember getting a John Cena t-shirt. Because he was definitely the one at the time. Hello, Brooks. Solo from Chile. Hey, hola. On the UK, you know, watch Australian TV and stuff like ABC. Yeah, like I watch a little bit of WWE, like here and there, like just to see where it's at. Now that Roman's kind of gone, I don't really watch it anymore. Nice socks. Thanks, brother. I really enjoyed watching the Bloodline. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not really a fan of the current Bloodline. It's cool to see like Tangaloa and Tomatonga in there, but yeah, I don't know. It just doesn't hit the same. Don't hit the same to me. Be an old Bloodline, yeah, probably, because he's doing what's his name's been training with Kai Green too, eh? Roman? I was like, fuck, this dude. And he just finished filming for a movie. It's like, what the hell are you gonna do with Kai Green? Alright. still stand by being Aussie. Oh yeah, Bullet Club. Oh, I don't really follow the Bullet Club. I know they got heaps of members. I only like their one fella that's in Bullet Club, and he's from here, but he's in where's he wrestling at now? Yeah, I never follow Roman and all the wrestlers that are from here. His name's Switchblade, I think. That's his wrestling name. Other than that, I've been following Zilla Fatu for ages. And Jacob Fatu. Bro, Zilla Fatu and Jacob Fatu's impressive, man. Morning TikTok, how are you? Yeah, Jacob Fatu's impressive, man. Thank you, Riz Kingo. Yeah, I just know there's like heaps of people in Bullet Club, eh? It seems like Bullet Clubs, a lot of the people in Bullet Club split up quite a lot, eh? From what I've seen, the 686. Hey, cheers, brother. Yes, I'm left-handed. I'll just draw this up, guys. Can't wait for Zilla to go WWE. Yeah, bro. He did say though, like, he's not in a hurry, eh? So I think once it happens, bro, it's gonna be buzzy. Lefty gang, cheer, brother. Yeah, I've been like a kick hand for ages. My youngest daughter, she's a both, whatever they're called. She's both of them. Is Bullet Club still going? Yeah, I think they got like chapters in different like wrestling federations. Also been watching Henare. He's over in Japan there. Brother, too good. Ah, oh, cheers, brother. Hands down, the nicest man ever. Cheers, brother. Kill him. Yeah, it's the pandemic, man. This feels like such a long time ago now. Long time ago now. Oh man, that's beautiful. Thank you, brother. What are you making right now? So we just finished designing the main part of the hoy or the paddle. Oh, cosmic mistake. Thank you for the 10 bomb, bro. Oh my, yeah. Thank you very, very much for the 10 bomb, my bro. If you did get a gifted sub from the brother Cosmic or the sister, gotta say both, just in case. Might have another situation where I called Bonfire brother for 2 years when she didn't tell me she was a sister till then. Hey, what's up, Sister Club? Thank you very much, Cosmic. Wants it a pedal from... Hey, yo! He wants a pedaling from... Just get a broomstick. Sort out this nose real quick. But yeah, I like, speaking about wrestling again, I like hearing that here. Also the first Maori to, you know, have a mataora in the wrestling scene as well. Which I thought was pretty badass. E mau moko ana. I wonder if I can put this over the... No, I can't. Man, this would have been a prime spot to put it, guys. Hello, guys. How are you guys, TikTok? I'm just trying to figure out. It's still a work in progress, trying to figure out where to position everything for me. But yeah, we just started doing the face today. Oh, we're just starting the face today, I should say. Greetings from Dallas, Texas. What's up, Rav? Once again, Cosmic, thank you very much, brother. And Leonards, thank you for the Optimus Prime. Holy, early in the day, we almost smashed the sub goal again. If we hit 1K today, I'm gonna do I'm gonna full send it on some air guitar, but I'll probably close our YouTube stream so we don't get strikes. Kia ora from Hawke's Bay, kia ora. Hey, thank you, brother Danny, for the window. Of course, I was supporting us with genuine creators. Hey, cheers, brother. Ulrich, you have a good sleep, my bro. Dr. Gamer, thank you for the Optimus Prime. The Road Warriors, man, those are some old names. I always thought when I was young, I thought the Bushwhackers were my uncles. I think they are definitely the pioneers for people from Aotearoa going into like wrestling, without a doubt. And now we have the likes of Switchblade there in wrestling now, Dakota Kai over in the WWE. Hello from South Dakota, kia ora. Thank you for the Galaxy biggest. Cheers, brother. What in the pucky, how are you? Kia ora whānau. The kiddos in bowling go, yeah, I destroyed them. Thank you, Danny and Colby. Colby, everybody know Colby. For the past, for the past. Then he start throwing his shit that ain't got nothing to do with basketball. Krispy Kreme donut round like a rim, got a hole in it. Aloha from Hawaii. Hey, morning night, my kanaka. Kia ora from Germany. Guten Tag. I googled and you're spot on Hawaiian. Who, me? What type of tools do you use? Chisels, brother. So we get them from, I got them from my time as a student. So when I went to this particular carving school, you actually get gifted a pack of chisels, brother. Pretty much. And if you graduate, you get to keep them. And I still have that pack today. And yeah, I graduated in 2018, I believe. Are you lefty? Yeah, yeah. Wish my kids were lefties, but my eldest uses her right hand and the youngest is a bit of a both. I don't know what they called it, some fancy word. What's it called again? When they can write with both hands? Ambidex. Okay, I can't say that. That's about as worse as the dickhead who named Worcestershire sauce. I swear the dude that created that sauce just named it that just to mess with us, eh? I tell you that much. If you're a descendant of that man, tell us the truth. I just call it West Side sauce. Hey, is that a Kia? Hey, it is too. Ambi, I just call her a both. That's what I call her. She's like, Dad, how come I can write with both my hands? I went, oh, because you were born out of an egg. Any new games you're looking forward to? Not gonna lie, I watched the trailer for that Monster Hunter. I've never played a Monster Hunter before. It looks pretty cool. I see everyone losing their minds over that girl, the girl character in the trailer. Thank you, Quizzletech and Victor. But yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. Looks hard to play though. Is this the guy? I know I'm a hand model. I wanted to ask, my Kiwi friend has special necklace that he informed me is one of the only he was able to touch. What is it called? Is it a greenstone part number? Could be. Man, I could really go for a bit of a flat white and a hash brown. Yeah, yeah, part number. Greenstone. Anyone planning to go to TwitchCon this year? The heart of Te Whiti. It's just yeah, it's just a Disney thing, my bro. What do you think about Black Ops 6? Wait, there's a Black Ops 6 coming out? Bro, I'm so out of the loop, eh? That's like the only new game I saw was their Monster Hunter. I've been playing Multiverses offline. Been playing that quite a bit. don't think I'm gonna invest money into Fortnite just for their T60, to be honest. Because I'm not even playing it. Although I would like the T60 armor, I can't be bothered. Doesn't make sense to waste money just to get one skin. Although I love Fallout, yeah. What's that game about, bro? Stanley Parable? Thank you very much. Is that you got no name? Oh, this guy hacking. Favorite Fallout game? Probably. It's a toss up between 3 and 4. I didn't really get to play 1 and 2. And I've never played New Vegas. I heard people treat New Vegas players like the adopted child. Is that true? I didn't like Stanley Parable because I didn't like being told what to do. Yo, thank you very much to Kara Valkyrie. Thank you very much for the brand new tier 1. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I did see Lethal Company was on there. Alright, here's our nose. You want to know what's funny? I've never actually played Lethal Company. Like, ever. I have it, it got gifted to me, but I've actually never played it. I was supposed to play with Cinnamon Toast Can and a few friends, but busy. Eh? You deserve the world? No, too fucked up for me. I'll just see. My goal in life, or my next life goal, is just to try and get a forever home for me and my family. That's about it right now. I don't really plan on doing crazy stuff. Hey, what's up, J Flo? I love New Zealand. Yeah, it's pretty cool country. Bit shit at the moment, but still cool. Hey, Brox, how do you deal with loneliness? I work almost exclusively night shift. You want to know something? Well, for me personally, what I found out growing up, I found that to be one of the most amazing things to have. Your own time. Like, I know everyone's different, but I actually preferred it at one point in my life. I preferred the quietness of where my life was at. Hashtag not a maniac serial killer. Yeah, I guess everyone's different, brother. I think for you, it would be about, you know, trying to find a balance between work life, and I know obviously you have to rest being a night shift worker, and getting out and about, my bro. You gotta stream it at least once? Yeah, I've never actually played it. Yo, the Baptiste, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime too. You're a Baptiste main at all, brother. Yeah, like, when I was growing up, I found comfort in being alone. Because now that I'm older, whoo, no alone time anymore, my brother. It's straight kids. The quietness is quite good. Yeah, I've always enjoyed, you know, quietness in life. But yeah, once again for the brother, everyone's different. Yo, appreciate that, Meza. I have a problem right now. I am studying, working hard to make money, working on my dreams, but even though I enjoy what I'm doing, I just started to feel depressed because I am lonely. One of my dreams is to have a family with someone, but I don't not know how to find my soulmate. So you have a routine in your life, eh? I think I want to share my life with someone, but I can't, and I feel alone. I think yeah, that is definitely a situation most are in right now. Work, study, and because you're pretty young, ain't you? Well, surely you're younger than me. I think you know, in my opinion, that's not bad to you know. That shows a lot of dedication and discipline right there. And once you know all the studying is done, all the work, there'll be a point in your life where you can, you know, start to look for that significant other. It's like with my wife, we got together. Well, I found a partner relatively late in my life, but at the same time, I wasn't in a rush. Because where I come from, everyone's related, and I did not want to be like them. Fuck that. Whenever I saw people do that, I was like, "You disgust me." Yeah, I think it will be. It's about like trying to find that balance in your life, brother. Like considering you do, you know, you live a busy life too. By the sounds of it. It's almost my son's birthday. Can I buy a Maui sword? Maui uses a hook, and I don't have any. I can't carve them just like that. Before can you hit the gritty? That'll be 200 hectares. Not gonna lie, I like dumpstering on kids that use the gritty in Fortnite. Just straight obliterating them. Piss that dummy mode out of my lobby. Then get killed by the next grittying sweetie kid. Sup, Arzazen? I completely forgot how you had a YouTube chat too. Yeah, so I'm chatting to Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok. Love the work. Thank you, brother. Yeah, we're just doing a few little things right now. So just putting in little bevels. It's the main thing that I'm trying to do. Little bevels before we start designing. Your voice is amazing. Love has truly been good to me. Nah. I'll stop. Quingelate. Thank you, Joss. And also Tristan as well. I love that song, man. Luther Vandross. Woo! It's so amazing to be loved. I'll follow you to the moon in the sky above. Oh, what's up, infected mushrooms? How long will this peak take? Piece take? I have no idea, brother. Bro, I lost track of time. On the first day. Morena, good to be here, bro. Thanks, Leisha. Sincere. Leisha. Rhymes with sin. Alright. Yep. Something in the way. My normal carving music that I normally play is usually like the Bee Gees and all of it. I'm normally playing all these kind of groovy songs. But because I'm streaming on YouTube as well, I don't really play any of the music. Thank you, Harry. Yeah, this is one of my uncle's commissions. Namihi Kai. Dude, that looks epic. Yeah, I'm just keeping it relatively simple, brother. That's the main thing. Yeah, simple dimple for me, my bro. If I want to go ham and unleash, sometimes I'll do it. But I'm keeping it the simplicity to go with my uncle's one, because the one he did was relatively, you know, nice simple design. And I vibe with that too. Damn, this green though. It's all ripping. Hang on. Looks like we need to sharpen. Que bella cosa nailena ai sorry. Love from Maryland. Hey, brother. Oh yes, I forgot you were doing this. Yeah, so this is just a little thing. This is one of my uncle's commissions. Now, as you all know, he passed away recently, so to honor him, we're finishing it for him. So after this, we've got one more of his to do, and then we send it off. We send it off, yeah? What made you decide to start streaming, Brox? Well, it was a streamer who, after 1 year of watching, ended up being family. Not a Vin Diesel joke, by the way. Yeah. So one day, like, I used to be in a low NZ community page on Facebook, and I used to see this guy post up that he was live all the time. It's like, maybe a chicken stream out one day, and he kept posting and posting, right? And well, one day I decided to check the stream out, and he was drunk as the hills. People were following and subbing, and he'd do the Chewbacca sound. But something that stuck with me was how much everyone were like having a good time. They were being entertained, and I thought there was, you know, cool as. I thought that was such a cool thing to see. And so from there, I kind of looked into streaming a little bit. And I'll be honest, bro, I was one of those streamers that had no idea what he was doing. Like PS4, straight raw dog streaming from the PS4, no capture card, no nothing. That's how much I didn't know. And one day I decided I might just try and start carving. This was before the pandemic too. I might try streaming just to see what it's like. Thank you, Dennis. And then eventually, yeah, I turned the stream off as soon as the number went up. I couldn't handle it. I couldn't handle it, so I just turned the stream off. And this went on for about a month. Like at the time too, I was carving full time as a job. So I was doing pretty good for myself. Sorry, I'm just sharpening up while I chat to you guys. Just become a father. Yeah. Life was all good. And I had stopped doing the wood carving streams there. I was like, no, I'll just stop. No one will like it. And there were a few streamers at the time, Maori streamers, that told me to like keep doing it. Like no one's doing this. There's no Maori streamers out there that are doing this. And I thought about it, and I went, oh, okay then. So there's the bro Timprovise and the bro Massacre. I know the bro Massacre goes by another name these days called Rumors. That's his new name. And yo, playing in the mud, thank you very much for the raid. Long time no see. Kia ora, kia ora. How have you been? Where was I? Yeah, so I decided, oh, you know, alright, I'll just keep streaming it. And they would drop into the stream to come say hello. And yeah, I started getting a little bit comfortable with it. But keep in mind I was still carving full time as a job. And then as we all know, the pandemic was closing in. So COVID had just been announced throughout the world, you know. New sickness on the rise, and didn't think too much of it at the time because you know, I wasn't in my country, and you know, started getting closer and closer, and then eventually, boom, it's on our shores. And there was an emergency meeting for my job at the time where they said they were going to go into their reserves just to help everyone out, just in case there's a lockdown coming. And then, which, you know, I give my flowers to Tamaki Maori Village for doing that for us as a worker there. And then, like, that was cool, but in the back of my mind, you know, I was saying, yeah, money doesn't last, so I had to figure out what I was going to do, you know, being a father, you know, just had my first child recently. I know, I was a father, I had a baby, You know, so I want to protect her from her and my wife, who was still my girlfriend at the time, from all the the troubles of the world. And then streaming popped back into my head again. I was like, should I try it? But I mainly just did it for fun. I was like, well, I'm stuck at home. We were in lockdown. I'm stuck at home. I can't do anything. So I just started streaming my wood carving. And Twitch ANZ held like art showcases every month. And one of them come up, and I filled out a form just for a laugh, not to try and get it, because I filled it out. I was like, yeah, I'm not getting that. Moving on. And I remember giving a form to the bro Thunder, he's in the chat too. So I filled their form out, and then like 2 days later, I got accepted. All manner of panic, bro. All manner of panic just started setting in. I was like, oh no, I don't want to do it. I don't have good internet. I'm too, I'm too scared to talk to heaps of people. Yo, thank you, Jonesy, for the Optimus Prime for 2 months, brother. Yeah, I'm too scared. I feel like I'm not even that entertaining. So, like, doubtful thoughts as you do. And yeah, ended up doing it. First day was all good, like went off relatively normal. And it was that second day where the clip was taken, and the one who took that clip was the Bro Massacre, who goes by Rumors now. So he was the one that actually took that video, which was pretty buzzy. Then so I'm just speaking to you guys right now. So that clip was taken right here. There's my old setup right there. These 2 nails here. So I'm just showing TikTok, guys, and so that was my first setup, or this pin. And I had 2 strings to hold my phone up. Then I relocated them over here. Everyone flexes their old setups, bro. I think my setup beats every other setup there is, man. There it is. My humble beginning setup. Well, the 2 nails and the 2 strings that are still there. So I leave those there as a reminder of where I started, and probably when I move, I'll take those and put them in a frame. Sorry, YouTube and TikTok just had to, and Twitch had to show TikTok. So that's what I started from. Yo, what up from Jamaica? Hey, what's up, brother? So there was, yeah, that was my setup when I started streaming. My setup cost me nothing. But yeah, essentially that's all I had to my name as a streamer. And yeah, we ended up using that. And yeah, the next day, that clip gets taken. The $5 clip. And it spreads like wildfire. I had no idea what was going on, bro. I legit had a game of Fortnite and I was just chilling with my babies, watching movies. And, went to bed, as you do. And then the next day was the crazy one. I wake up to messages from Twitch staff, like, you need to check your chat out, get on right now. Something's happened. I was like, oh no, what did I do? Did I break a rule already? And yeah, I got told by Twitch and staff, get on your chat right now and have a look. I was like, oh, okay. And yeah, there was a lot of people typing in the chat asking when I was gonna start, when's the stream. I was like, hey, what the hell's going on? It was more panic than excitement. Because I was like trying to figure out, what the hell did I do? Did I do something wrong? Why are all these people in my chat? And before I started, probably giving a post-trauma to Thunder, because he's a mod. With all how fast the chat was going. Before I started, Twitch chat just said, Twitch staff just said, you know, go hard, do your thing. We're still trying to figure out what's going on too. It's like, oh, okay. I didn't want to stream that day too. That's how nervous I was. I did not want to push live. I didn't want to, you know, because the nerves were kicking me in the ass. But my New Year's resolution that year was, excuse my language, was don't be a bitch, eh? That was my New Year's resolution. Don't be a bitch, try something new. And then, yeah, the rest is history. As you all know. So that's kind of how I got started in the early days. It's crazy, man. And it was, you know, that specific moment has connected me with so many people around the world. Definitely a crazy time, yeah, bro. Being acknowledged, you know, being friends with streamers that I watched through high school. Holy. And then, you know, eventually meeting them all at TwitchCon, and now we're all like mates. Did I think my life would go this way ever? No, hell no. No. Never. Did I plan to be a full-time streamer? Nope. As you all know, my dream job was to be a zookeeper. But yeah, that is sorry if I missed everyone's comments. I just said to someone asked for the origin story. Can you be president? Hell no. I'd rather be Joy Boy than the president. Joy Boy sounds way more fun than being president. Those crocs are rad. Thank you, brother. Keep up the good work. Thanks, Armstrong. Yo, brother Valoon. How about them Cowboys? Up the Cowboys, my bro. Thanks for the 50 months, brother. Bro, that was such a good game, eh? Yo, Brox, how you, bro? I'm doing good, brother. I'm doing good. Sorry, TikTok, if I'm missing your comments. How about them Cowboys? Bro, that was such a nail biter, bro. Thank you, Johnny Too Shotty. What are you making? Just a hoy, brother. Pedal. At the moment, we're designing the face. Just keep in mind, chat with me, if I stop carving an assist to you know, talk about something, I'll most likely do it. You know me. I remember my first international trip. It was only to Sydney, but oh man, that was so daunting, bro. Scary. Almost got scammed. Yo, CK, thank you for the roses, brother. Are you Maori? Yes, I am. Yo, Mill the First. Thank you for the Optimus Prime, brother. Is that a Millhouse reference? Ooh. Hey. Hey friends, what are we making today? Still doing a pedal, brother. We're just designing the face at the moment. What's your oldest piece of equipment you have? It's my family heirloom. It's inside. It's older than me. Thank you very much to CK once again. And also German Louise. What does it mean when you're title gifter? What does that mean? It looks great. Thank you. Yeah, we finished all of this yesterday on stream, which was good. I'm glad we pumped that all out. Oh, it always feels good, you know, when you get a lot of progress done live, in my opinion. Just because, you know, just so you guys get to see like a big percentage of the work get finished. Holy crap, it's beautiful. Thank you, brother. It's always like a good feeling. Yo, thank you to Doctor for the 2-bomb. I've officially hit this daily sub goal. Thank you very much, man. Nā mihi nui ma te aroha, bro. What's up, Pindanoa? It's a bit to catch a stream. What's up, Sparanoia? Appreciate that, my brother. Yeah, so the grain in the face here is a bit of a tricky one. But you know, there's ways around it. There's always ways around the trickiness of timber. TikTok, I might put you at eye level soon so I can have a proper yarn with you. I do feel rude that I can't see what you are saying because I'm focusing on this stuff right now. So I do apologize there, TikTok. Kia ora, Anna. Holy hell, CK. What the hell? Thank you, Demora. Thank you to the Damien as well. Holy guacamole. How long have you been working on this piece? Bro, I lost track on the first day. I don't even think we've done like a whole day on it, like in terms of hours. Where are you located? Aotearoa, New Zealand, brother. Bottom of planet Earth. Thank you very much for helping us hit daily sub goal today. Far out. The support has been absolutely crazy these last few days. Kia ora, Kyle. It's my friend Kyle right here. We were walking down a long and lonesome road. And we played the first thing that came to our heads. Just so happened to be the best song in the world. It was the best song in the world. Look into my... Where you from, mother? Look into my eyes and it's easy to see. 2-1 make 2, 2-1 make 3 was destiny. That's what the name Kyle always reminds me of, man, is the pick of destiny. Whoa, I hear. This is not the greatest song in the world, no. I love that song, eh? It's funny. Just call me a male, typical male. So I'm just sorting out this. No, Mihiano. Yeah, just putting these on the eye level right now. What is on your mind? I was waiting for you to call me baby. What is a good... What is that guy who's chopping wood in wait, is this that guy? I got fatter. I had another kid. I got married, yeah, I'm that guy. My muscles are there, they're just relaxing. Permanently. What's up, Sonny? How are you? Alright. Oh. Oh, my jacket. How you doing, man? Yeah, I'm doing good, brother. I'm doing good. I joined from TikTok. Hey, what's up, guys? Getters? Have a good day. You too, Skynet. Have a good day, brother. How much does the pedal weigh after this is finished? I have no idea. Like, probably pretty light. Kia ora, Darren. You rock, man. It's your brother. I thought you meant I was cool for a little bit there. Cheers, Beast and Papa Khan. No way, it's you. Hello. Yeah, I just want to make sure I can see what you are saying, and also you can see what I'm doing too. So I felt rude not being able to see what everyone was saying. The closer I get to you, the more you make me feel. By giving me all you got. Oh. Thank you, Dump It. Is it Dump It? And Sebastian. Hello from Minnesota. Hey, what's up, Timberwolf? Man, I need to put something up so the sun's not on the screen of the laptop here. I still remember that time. What's that, brother? I was wondering why I didn't see your stream anymore. Twitch unfollowed you. Oh, true. Yeah, it's weird. Like, there was a point on Twitch where you'd like go to a channel that you'd watch, and it'll have like unfollow on the thing straight away. Just like really wary of it when I go and watch some of my friends stream. Something in the way. Origin this week, bro. Probably just the Maroons. Even though he doesn't play anymore, JT is still my favorite player. I'm probably gonna miss it. I'll be too busy editing. Trying to be more productive with my nights now. Trying to get ready for this 75 hard thing. My wife says if she drops to 85 kg, she'll join the gym with me. So I really want to help her with that. How do I send donations? I have no idea. Just come and chill. You are asking the wrong guy. I only say that because I genuinely don't know. I actually don't know. It's very frustrating sometimes when people are live for me and it's weird too, like sometimes when I go in my followers, it doesn't show some channels that are live until I refresh it and they come up. Which I think is kind of, some monkey business going on there. To be honest. Yeah, I like JT. He's always been my favorite player. That's why I still follow the Cowboys. Even though, they're different generation of players. Like, still some of the oldies in there. But yeah, definitely. One of the main reasons why I follow them. Thank you, Gloria and Izzy. You're one of my followers on Twitch, Valoon. He sees them at the dairy every day, and I'm still waiting for a video. Hairbox has been wood carving for 2 years, and I was just wondering if you had any advice for those still beginning. I'm having some trouble keeping up with the work. So I'm guessing it's like commissions. Yeah, but I think that's the main thing, eh? Like managing what you take on. That's definitely the main thing you gotta be careful for sometimes, brother. Because then, you know, it adds unnecessary stress to yourself. And, you know, keeping up with the demand. You are one of my top 5 favorite people. Oh, gee, brother. I'll try and, like, when people say stuff like that, main thing I try and do is try and be the best example I can be, brother. Like, I'm not the best, you know, I'm not the big dog streamer, but yeah, as long as people are happy here and in some way, shape or form the stream helps and you enjoy yourself here, that's definitely a W. Thank you very much to Coco Dog 420 for the brand new tier 1. Kia ora, bro. That sounds like a COD name. Oh my goodness, I love your wood carvings. Thanks, brother Coco. Actually, love you, bring so much happiness into my day, and you deserve everything good in life. Oh, cheers, brother. Bro, I want us all to be happy when we're watching me. That's definitely one thing I'd love anyway. Moment. That's Brock's say, brother. Where are we? I've had such a bad day today. I've needed this thinky bar. Oh, good, brother. Custom. Oh, good. It's a long story. I had a Twitch account years ago, and I had to go with my old WoW account. Oh, yeah. Oh, I think it's all good. Man, I remember my first Twitch name. Definitely wasn't Brox. The good old young days. Thank you, Raider and Nandor. Yeah, just want to make sure I'm keeping up with all the chats. It's 1 AM here in Germany. I'm watching your stream to fall asleep. As long as you fall asleep soon, don't stay up too late. Thank you, Rocco and CK. Kia ora, brothers. I'm glad you came. Oh my gosh, the chat's moving so fast. Is there a way to make like the chat cover the whole screen for TikTok so I can keep up? Hello from Iceland. Sure. What are you making? We are doing a hoi, brother. Just carving the face of this pedal. Designing. So the face is called a rudu. A rudu is a night owl. But we finished the main part of the pedal yesterday, design-wise. And now we've moved up to the face. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do after my streams every day. Instead of relaxing before school pickup, I'm gonna go straight to the gym to do cardio and then weights later in the evening. Swipe right to see bigger chat. Oh, really? Swipe right. Do I swipe right again? Oh, that's way better. Oh, yeah, that's way better. Now I can see everything. Bro, I was like, this is the section that I was looking at. Everybody watching from the UK, kia ora. Yeah, this is way better. Yo, Michael, thank you very much for the 66 manawas. Okay, yeah, this is way better. Now I can follow what's going on because it's not a small section anymore. Okay, yeah, I'm just getting used to it now. It's still moving relatively fast, but yeah. Max deadlift? Man, I haven't done powerlifting in a long time. Back when powerlifting was life for me, I only got a 260. That's when I would eat I had rotisserie chickens for dinner for like a year straight. I'd have a whole one just for dinner for a whole year. Thank you very much to Kokoloko for gifting a sub as well, brother. Thank you. So glad you're streaming today. Hey, you're more than welcome to come and chill, my bro. Where are we? Yeah. That's when, like, I don't really powerlift anymore. It's not something I'm interested in anymore. Kind of moved on from it. And yeah, just training normally. I wouldn't mind getting into that like Metcon stuff to get a bit of fitness though. Seems like a lot of gyms are going that way these days. Wish I could sub, but oh, it's all good. Just come and chill. Don't feel like it's a burden, you know, not being subbed to the channel. You gotta do some gym streams. Nah, I don't really like talking when I'm training. I don't even talk to anyone at the gym. Like, I'll say hello, but then, you know, oh, I don't want to stand around and talk. It's like my cousin, we were training together, like, he does videos, like, gym content. I was like, wait, I do the gym content, but everyone's saying, is that Brooks in the background? It's like, oh, okay. Thank you very much to your favourite and Elaine. Kia ora, Liam. If I'm not tangata whenua, can I still do Whakairo? Probably at like Wānanga o Te Aroa, maybe? Yeah. Like obviously you'll have those Maori that have that Shrek syndrome, eh? What I mean by that is when they see, you know, when people see something you shouldn't be doing and they start, you know, pulling out the pitchfork, rah, 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 rah. That's what I call Shrek syndrome. There will always be people like that. inspire my kids. Hey, share my bro. Don't forget about you too, brother. We all out here trying to inspire the next generation. Almost done with the mouth. Are they for sale? So this is a commission, so it's not really, so it's already got an owner pretty much. Yeah. 260 kilos is a pretty heavy bar, my friend. Oh yeah, yeah, back in the day. It's heavy for me now, but I'm just glad I can still get 200 OB. I'm good with that. I'd be so disappointed if I couldn't. I did it in conventional and sumo. Sumo feels really uncomfortable for me. Feel like I'm just gonna let one rip doing sumo. So I just do conventional. Sup, Jara Omi? Kia ora. Where are we? How long have you been doing this for? This is some talent. So I've been doing Whakairo since I was 12 years old. That's how long I've, been doing this. So I'm 32 now, turning 33. So yeah, for a wee while. And still learning, brother, still learning. Every day is definitely a learning day, my bro. Yes, that's him. Hey, cheers, brother. How are you happy? Oh, bro, I'm not happy all the time. I'm not invincible, my bro. I have my bad days too, as I've mentioned before. I guess I just have my ways of, coping with this thing that's called life. The ones who always, ground me are my kids. Keep me 10 toes down, because, they're the reason I strive to be a better person every day, even if they drive me up the bloody wall, my bro. Definitely them, bro. They're like, other than that, like physically, it's just going to the gym too. Yeah. I guess I have my ways of, getting through life with them. Yeah. What are your plans after today's stream? I'm gonna go do 30 minutes on a Stairmaster, and after that, probably finish off with some rowing, come home, scrub my sweaty ass, and go and get my kids. It'll most likely be school pickups by then. And then we will go to the park. So I took them for a little hike over the weekend, which they enjoyed. They ended up really enjoying it. What do you do with the sculptures once they finish? I send them to the person who commissioned it. So this one's a little bit different. Only reason I say that is because this commission wasn't mine to start off with. It was my uncle's one. So being his student, it's I'm just finishing it for him since, you know, he's not around anymore. And the money for this commission will go to my auntie. So this is pretty much just a free commission, but you know, honoring my uncle's legacy means is priceless to me. And if it financially helps out auntie, then you know, I can't complain. So that's yeah, that's all we're up to right now. Was wondering, just joined. Ah, it's all good. All good, man. That's I don't mind, you know, telling you why. Do you sell your artwork? Yeah, commission style, yeah. Can I get a hell yeah? Thank you, something in Ember. I'm so, oh man, even the chat's still moving fast. Love from Finland. Kia ora, brother. Hello from Northern Ireland. Hey, brother. You deserve it. Kia ora, Keaton. Kia ora, bro. Yeah, I'm just trying to keep up. And I'm just trying to rest my back. Alright. What do you think of Toitsu Tetsuritsu? Well, the movement? I guess my answer would be, yep, I've been doing the hikois as well. So, I think, you know, you understand where I stand? Why does the sound though? Huh? Oh, I missed it. Thank you, Dakota. Did you do that piece in your? No, that's at Blizzard HQ. So I'm at that's Gore Hell. No, I didn't do that, bro. It's a game prop that was done by Blizzard. I just wanted a photo of myself for my profile photo. No, I'd never carve Gall Hell. If I did, then I probably wouldn't give it. I'd be like, nah, this is mine. Ain't no way I'm giving it to you now. Yeah, that's how that would go. What was that? Oh, that's just Discord. Love what you do. Thank you, man. Hello from Alaska. Kia ora, bro. Are you the guy that wanted to... Yeah, oh, yeah, that was me, but sorry I didn't know how to say your name. Thank you, Milk and Dizzy. Where are we? What kind of personality did your uncle have? He was a gentle giant, like real calm and quiet person. As soon as he drunk, still a gentle and quiet person. But if you fucked with him, then he got very loud. The majority of the time when I would see my uncle, like, for those who don't know, last time I got to spend with my uncle before he passed was at my wedding. And every time, we saw him, he was always say how, how proud he is that he has 2 students that are still carving to this day. He would always, like even my cousins, his sons would say he was more proud of you than us. But that's just how my uncle was. His pride and joy when it came to carving. All his students that are still going today. And saying that too, obviously there's some that aren't, but yeah, majority of the time. He always had this joke where he'd say like, carve a meeting house in my name. But in our culture, for that to happen, you gotta you gotta kick the bucket, And I brought that up at his funeral, and everyone laughed. It's like, you always raved about you just have to name a meeting house after me, and well, since you're gone, it looks like you're gonna get your wish. So yeah, but he is a very gentle and calm person. Had a bit of a cheeky personality when he wanted to. But yeah, majority of the time he was pretty chill. Thank you, Ichabod's Cream, for the 6 months, brother. Thank you very much for the 6 months over on Twitch, my bro. Thank you, Nestra and Tori. I finally found them. Hello. Yeah, so when it comes to doing like commissions, keep in mind, I only do stuff within Maori wood carving. I'll say it again, I repeat, I'll say it again, do not email me asking me to carve raunchy statues of anime characters. Or any anime character in general. I don't do that. To be honest. Yeah, that's not something I do. Okay. Maori wood carver, that's it. Yeah. I am a man of culture as well, being a weeb and all, but yeah, I didn't get down that much. And if you think My Hero Academia is better than One Piece, if you're one of those watchers, I know some of you are watching right now, don't even bother. And you scream mid-piece, don't even bother. Oh, it'll be a no. Thank you very much, Miasgar, for the Optimus Prime. Kia ora. Don't even bother. Don't waste my time. It's like these kids were saying mid-piece and they're like, Brox, can we get a photo with? No, you said mid-piece. Try reading One Piece. I do. I'm up to date. What are you drinking? Just water. Just your typical. If I could go to sleep, yo, have a good sleep, Roland. Just your typical water enthusiast, my bro. Alright. I'm using the wrong chisel. We'd hear my goddamn 13. My 13. Where is it now? There he is right here. Looking for my goddamn 13 V chisel. Here we go. Thank you for the roses, Jaden, and gimme monster. Kia ora. Hello from Brunei. Hey, one of my bros is from Brunei. He's a streamer as well. Thank you very much to Josprich and Luis. Where are we, Annie? Hey, cheer, brother. Hey, you at the shed today? I'm coming for a visit. Or you still up in Tamaki? Oh, thank you for the galaxy. Holy cow. I gotta keep an eye, man. It's bloody hard to keep up with everything. You at the shed. Oh, yeah. Up to KFC. KFC run or what? Nami Shantella for the 6 months. Nami Ituahine. And also Jack Ripper for the Optimus Prime. Where are we? Good evening from London. Hey, kia ora. Who's all in America right now? What's the time? My biggest audience in terms of like countries is America, then Europe, mainly London. .36 in Texas. Oh, okay. I might have to start being strategic and streaming around the American times. Well, mind you, I think these are perfect times as well. Trying to finish the face to stream? Nah, not really. I'm just chilling. Hey, what's up, Crother? I probably won't finish at this stream because my back's going Pennsylvania. Oh yeah, You going to TwitchCon, Crother? Can I make it to San Diego? It's been in my thoughts. I've been thinking about it. Yeah. I might try and do a subathon to get there. I'd like to go just because Vegas was mean, but I heard San Diego's a whole lot better than Vegas too. From Tijuana, okay. Mary's Lamb and Algo, thank you very much. Who's all going to TwitchCon from all the platforms on live right now? San Diego, yeah, like the venue's right by the sea, eh? It's a very coastal city, but it looks nice there. Three, 1, 2, 3. Set up, let's swing it over. Would love to buy you a beer in San Diego. Yeah, bro, yeah. I'm keen to catch up with everyone. Yeah, something distance from the. Oh, Maine. Oh, that's good. I like that. Yeah, I was looking at accommodation last night for San Diego. See what happens. I know a few friends that are staying at a few venues very close by. Some are getting an Airbnb. But yeah, I'm definitely keen to come back. Just gotta save up. The first thing I'm saving for right now is my honeymoon. But it's just gonna be a local one. San Diego's mean. Oh yeah. What's like some touristy stuff to do there? I think this time around I don't want to be at the convention the whole time. I want to like see the city as well. That's the one thing I didn't do in Vegas. I was pretty much at the convention every day. Much love from Louisiana. Kia ora. Few museums. Ooh. Oh, mind you, the zoos over there will be on steroids compared to ours. Yeah, I'll be a bit of a tourist. My wife can't make it because she can't get the time off work. Ratchet. Would have loved to have brought her to experience TwitchCon, but I know that's not her thing. She'll get bored straight away. But yeah, every time I see you, it's a blessing and a joy. Hey, as long as you feel good, man, that's what I worry about. That's what I care about. She was a black magic woman. Alright. Hey, thank you, Grant Guthia? Did I say that right? For the galaxy, man. This is the you don't have to guy. Hello. Oh my god, hi. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. Something in the way. Hello from Liverpool. Hello, brother. Evil Ginger, thank you for the 6 months as an Optimus Prime, brother. Sure, it's pretty late for everyone on YouTube. Make sure you go to sleep, eh? Gee, don't watch me for at silly o'clock in the morning. That's not the vibe. That's not the vibe. We all need our sleep, you know. Oh, I do. I get grumpy if I don't have sleep. Hello from Ireland. Hey, brother. On for the night at night. Oh my gosh, I still can't keep up with the chat. Thank you, Brenna and David. Hello from Scotland. Kia ora. Alright. All three chats, spam your country's flag so I can see where you're from. From Hawaii. Hey, kia ora e taku kanaka. Hello from America. Oh, there's quite a few. Germany, Canada, how's it going, eh? Aussie. Is that Peru? El Salvador. Hey, that's a cool trade. Thank you for the trade. What we got in Venezuela? Venezuela. I remember the times before I met Mrs. Brooks and I saw, you know, the Venezuelan ladies while working in tourism. Oh my goodness. I was one of those ones, you know, looking that way with my glasses, but really it's... How do you decide what design you want to use? Ah, just one that I haven't done in a long time. Yes, I used to be young too. I don't do that anymore though. Maya's stuck to one lady now. Oh, I wouldn't mind trying voice acting. That's like a dream job of mine as well. One thing about BlizzCon, someone I got to meet was the voice actor for Roadhog. Bro, he's such a good dude, man. Such a good dude. Because he asked me, why do you want to voice act? I says, oh, because it's fun. I like it. I love watching voice acting. It's like, damn. That's legit the answer I was looking for. That's why I like it, eh? Just because it's fun. That's why I take my, you know, my Temu level Arthur Morgan voice into Red Dead, just because I love doing it. Oh, we gotta cancel that command because it's not May anymore. Thank you very much, Travis and Luan Mordor. And also Travis and Cantona. What's up, Jacob? Much love, Finn. Alright, let me pop these out real quick. I think the one thing I don't like about America is if you eat in a restaurant and you have to tip, because I don't know that stuff. That's why I just fast food it. Reminds you when I was in Vegas, I didn't really have an appetite to eat at all, pretty much. Thank you, Travis and AG. Holy. Yo, Travis, you're going nuts, my bro. Calm down. Yo, it's you. What's up, Byron? Yeah, I just get a bit iffy about tip culture because I don't know how to do it properly. Like in Vegas, because Twitch ANZ asked, oh, what are you up to? Oh, I was just in the room, gonna just chill out. I didn't really have an appetite to eat at all when I was in Vegas, but Twitch ANZ took me out to, you know, eat, to look after me. Yo, Tranked Beer, thank you for the T1, brother. Isn't that reminds me of Cocaine Beer. I still can't believe that's an actual thing, man. Thank you very much, Tranked Beer, for the T1. Appreciate everyone on Twitch as well. Straight blowing the back out of my sub goal for another day. Far out. I appreciate you. You loyal. You smart. You brave. As a matter of fact, you look hungry too. Walk yourself to the fridge. Look in there for 5 minutes. Grab nothing and walk away. Okay. Oh my gosh. Graf rolling with the 5-bomb right behind Graf. We have Tranked Beer with the back-to-back. Gifted. Much appreciated to Tranked and Graf Roland coming in with back-to-back 5 gifteds. If you did get a gifted here, please, 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 please give the gifter thank you. It'd be much appreciated if you could do that, if you did get one of those. Right. Oh. Mitsue, what are you doing? Holy 350 plus roses. Man, I wouldn't have mind having a garden that full, eh? Thank you very much for doing that, guys. Yo, YouTube, I hope you guys are okay too. I know you're kind of just chilling out right now. Thank you, Graf. Hey, and there's the other bro as well. Thank you, man. It's been a bit of a yap sesh by me today, but hey, I'm still getting some stuff done. Ministry 500 and... How do you stop it? Straight up. Hello. Oh no, my phone's at 15% already. Far out. My battery is useless on my phone. Mind you, my phone is finally dying on me now. I'm that guy, chat. I don't really get a new phone till my phone's like dead. Yo, TL, thank you very much, and Zach as well. Is this the guy from the videos? If it's those ones with you know, me in the video, might be. I honestly don't know where I was going with that, so I just kind of said that. Thank you very much, Tranked Bear, for the 500 biddies, my bro. Why is that an ice cream? Oh, the ice cream truck. Ooh, ice cream. Thanks for the ice cream truck. Fuck. I'm dieting. I can't have an ice cream. I'd probably do it too, even if it's winter. Oh, it's not like hardcore dieting. I'm just trying to, you know, all in moderation my food. Not doing carnivore or anything like that. I heard if you do carnivore you get gout due to the amount of meat you're consuming. You know? See what I did there? Join with me, thank you, and Carter as well. James Carter. Ice cream sounds good. Oh, it does, bro. And yeah, not drinking fizzies or fizzy drinks or sodas, whatever you call it in your country, for the month. Why? Just cause. Yeah. Thank you, Jesse Spoker, for gifting a sub as well. I think we've passed 1,000 subs, eh? Sorry about the voice crack. Rico, I'm doing good, brother. I'm doing good. Yeah, just trying to keep an eye out because my phone's on its last legs of battery. Can you ban me, please? Ban yourself by leaving. Are you like Ash Ketchum but collecting bans? I'm not gonna ban you for asking me to ban you. That's a bit weird. You have no power here. I try not to drink sodas. Yeah, main reason I just want to try and, you know, have a healthy habit for the month. And yeah, I chose that, brother. Just no fizzy drinks for the month. I started like 4 days before the new month, so yeah, no craving at all. I don't really care about it, so it's going good. Going good so far. Yeah. That's my challenge to everyone here on TikTok, Twitch, and YouTube. Healthy habit for the month. Give something up for the month. It's my challenge to everyone watching and hearing this right now. Yeah, that's gonna be my challenge for everyone watching today. Kick an unhealthy habit for the month. And replace it with a healthy one. Can you do the sassy Sasquatch line? What even is that? I don't even. Who watches a program about a Sasquatch? Oh, I don't. Oh, barbecue. Silver fern. True, there's a silver fern one as well. That's pretty cool. What are you talking about? Oh, I don't know what Sassy the Sasquatch is. I don't know what that is. Learn to give up alcohol for real. True, true. You can do it, brother. Oh, this man, God bless him. Cheers, guys. I'll show you the progress I've made today too. Before my phone dies. My phone battery's a bit pegs. There's just one thing I've noticed about my phone lately is it's not charging properly, and yeah, I've had it for a couple years. It's been good to me, Alright, let's put this camera up here. I'll put you over here next to TikTok. Alright. Hello, hello. Water gang with some Arcix. Alright. Go TikTok. What are you making? We've just been designing the face of this pedal, this hoy. That's all we've been up to lately. So, we just did the mouth today. It's just been a pretty cruisy day today. I don't see anything wrong with a cruisy day in my opinion. See, that's you can kind of see the waha or the mouth, top of the mouth. Same design. I've missed a bit, so we'll have to go back over that. Yeah. So this is what's been done so far on the hoy. Just the design's been done, and on the waha as well. Thank you very much, Jiraiya, for the 3 months in advance, my bro. Where's my Elsa rubber? Oh no, I lost it again. Yeah, that's in there. We would have got the face done, but I've just been enjoying the conversation today. Thank you, Patricio. Nice. Looking to make several hours per day. Excellent craftsmanship. Thank you very much, brother. How long have we been on for today on the Twitch? Have you ever made instruments? No, but I play a pretty good air guitar though, brother. No, I haven't, my bro. 2 hours, okay. Let's get the rub off. What's the time? 11:58. Me, I got heaps of time to do some cardio. I should really give me some pre-workout, eh? I don't really take pre-workout that much. I know I'm insane. But majority of the time when I go in to do my weight sessions, it's normally at night. It should be early hours of the morning, but yeah, majority of the time it's at night, and I do not want to take pre-workout at night. Oh, sorry, sis. See, one of those moments again. Calling one of the sisters a brother. Yeah. But thank you for telling me now, not be like Bonfire and tell me 3 years later. What's your nationality? I am Maori, so the indigenous people of New Zealand, brother, or Aotearoa as we call it. Just getting rid of all the pencil marks. Really appreciate you, dude. You are loved. I appreciate you for being here, brother. Thank you, Joyce and Marciani. Man, you've got some flash names, man. Maui, what are you doing, man? I'm actually pumped for Moana too, not gonna lie. Alright. So I've only got the head left, or the forehead. Forehead left, nose in a little bit, same here too. We would have got it done today, but yeah, I sometimes like to just enjoy having a chat from time to time. I'm yeah, not scared to admit that. I would get that for a tattoo. Yeah, I have. I got my arm done. What's up, RNX? Yeah, I got my arm done. At the moment, getting my face done is merely a thought right now. MGSG, what's up, brother? Hear me, brother James. Can I draw you with that? Oh, up to you, my bro. You're the artist. Is that for your big piece you're doing? You missed the galaxy. Oh, sorry about that. See, I'm too bloody slow. Where are we? Just want to make sure. I do apologize for missing your galaxy, man. Thank you very much. Oh, a motorbike. Thank you, Ace Man. Bro, that's a bro. They got some goated notifications, eh? Oh, and my phone is officially on 5% TikTok. Okay. Well, TikTok, you beautiful people. I truly apologize, but I have. Thank you for the Galaxy Emergency Me. So I got that one. I apologize, TikTok. My phone's about to die. Thank you very much for the aroha today. If you do want to jump over to one of the other platforms that I'm using right now, YouTube, Brock's on YouTube, and obviously on Twitch as well. Yeah, pick your poison, whichever one you want to jump on. But if you don't want to watch any of the stream, by all means, you guys have a good day, have a beautiful day, whatever it is that you do. I hope you achieve everything you've got set out for your day. And remember, look left and right before crossing the road. If you're hesitant on the second wipe, do a third one. And don't forget to eat dinner breakfast, lunch, and drink 3 liters of water every day. Have a good one, TikTok. I'm going to carry on the other 2 for now, and then we'll part ways from there. And I'm going to go to the gym. I'm actually excited to go to the gym, not going to lie. But yeah, have a good one. TikTok, much appreciated for being here. 2.3k. Fuck, can I get that on my other platforms, please? But yeah, have a good one. Much appreciated, Underdog and Maria. Bye bye, TikTok. I'll see you around the case. See you around, man. Okay, there you go. Bye bye. And then there were 2. Hello. Hello, guys. How we doing? Has anyone told you that you look like Roman Reigns? No. Hashtag feeding my ego? Nah. Much appreciated, brother. And my phone just died. You're one of those headphones are comfy. They keep my ears warm, that's for sure. That's for sure, brother. Silky tacos. Come and take a ride on my taco. Oh, the love song. Taco. Mahalo for the stream, cousin. Aloha new to the family. I appreciate you, my cousin. Have a good one, brother. I think this is the wind down period of the stream, chat. I'm happy with the progress we made today for sure. But sometimes when I hold this, I just want to go, whoa! Hey man, thanks for making us happy with your vibes. What's your favorite video game to play? I want to say WoW, but I want to say something else. I've been enjoying multiverses lately. And just playing GTA RP, bro. I've met a lot of amazing people through that game. For that variation of Grand Theft Auto. Yeah, that's about it, my bro. I'm looking forward to trying Monster Hunter. I've never played a Monster Hunter game before. It looks hard though. It looks pretty hard. Jay Neptune, you never can sleep. That looks awesome. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I'll show you again, my bro. Oh, yeah. Taco, taco, go. Alright. Pumped it out for sure, brother, which is good. I'm so happy with the progress we've made, man. Yo, Croots, thank you very much for the brand new Optimus Prime and welcome on into my brother. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, can I get an exclamation mark subs, please? Who's that calling? You see me falling. I can't hear my phone. It's not what I wanted. It's all I needed. I'll just again put this to the side. Oh, it's right there. Holy shit. Thanks, guys. Some way. He's my life and I can hear my phone. Holy shit, we're getting close. Several days, a few weeks to complete the project, I guess, but it's amazing work. Yeah, I'll be honest, bro, it's almost done, eh? We haven't like spent like a full week on it. I feel like, well, it might be in terms of time, but I've just really been feeling the momentum that we've been gaining lately. That's the word that's been circulating in my brain with the amount of work. It's been on my mind since I stopped gaming on this channel. Gonna head to bed now. Good luck with your exam tomorrow, eh? Good luck, man, and you come back and tell us how you did when you get your results back, eh? Let's go, my brother. Let's go. Level up, my bro. Level up. Let me just take this inside. Hold on. There might be YouTube ads. Yeah, I'll just take this inside. Can we get some love for the bro? He's got his exam tomorrow. Over on Twitch, please spam some hearts for him too.
I remember how I started out. I'm talking way back, man. I was sleeping on a sofa inside a studio flat. I had nothing to my name. My bank account was 5 stacks. I bought a bike that cost me half, and I was down to 2 racks. I could barely buy food. I had no job to make it back. I see some gangsters in an alley looking like they're hiding straps. I carried on riding past. When they left, I went back.
Well, losing your back. Our memories are exact.
Riding round the south side, I had a gun put to my face.
Thank you very much for spamming some love. To enjoy life more, your carving is amazing. Thank you, Zero. Yeah, brother. Like, you know, life's always not supposed to be amazing. You know, when life sees that you need to become stronger, it gives you trial, and it's up to us how we overcome those trials. In my opinion. So to me, there's no such thing as living a perfect life. There's just living it, in my opinion. Good luck, you're gonna nail it. Appreciate everyone showing love on Twitch to the bro for his exam tomorrow. Ever been to Europe? No, not at all, brother. I think my wife wants to see Buckingham Palace. I was like, I don't want to see that. Yeah, but I've never actually been to Europe myself. I don't need another song to say the rest. We all start at the bottom, working our way through the top. I know that you can't see me, nothing's gonna make me stop. We all start at the bottom, working our way to the top. Are you into cars only recently? Yeah. We don't stop, we don't stop. I watch a lot of Liberty Walk. Man, I love watching their videos, eh? Liberty Walk are badass, man. With what they got going on. Hold up, wait a minute, let me put myself in it. Hold up, wait a minute.
You get me? I was out there with the CG boys.
Cops had to retreat, bro.
Yo.
Shut up, Randy.
What the
I
fuck?
do happy with Chloe like candy. So the princess might come handy. For the rubbish driving is a bit bad.
Nah, Mario, man. Bruv, just let me do my shoot.
Whatever, man, whatever.
Ever been to Pennsylvania? Your families.
Right.
Vinny, tell him, man.
Watch your fucking mouth.
Artwork to this. Oh, really? True. Yeah, one day I'd like to, you know, if I ever got the chance to take my family on a holiday, I would. But at the moment, yeah, it's not a want or a need. We wanna, yeah, we just want to save for our house. That's what we're doing right now. Francis on the flank, somebody's getting spanked. Mario is on, let's go. Randy and Robbie got the cops on the roll, saying he and CG like small like a roll. President P, I'm Barack Obama. Are you into any sports? I've recently just started getting back into NFL again. Sea Eagles. Oh, the Eagles. I just follow them because Jordan's my favorite player. Jordan Mailata. I've been watching WNBA. Caitlin Clark. I'm siding with her with all the Papega shit that's going on with her. People being a dick to her on the court. Hey, thank you, Suzette. Yeah. I'm siding with Caitlin Clark with all the bullshit she has to get put through from other players. What's the average price of one artwork? It kind of depends what you want, really. Angel going down the Dreamwalk Green. Yeah, bro. It's that seems unnecessary, you know. She's trying her hardest, and for some reason they just want to put. Yeah. I only just caught wind of all the drama like yesterday, but you know, looking into it more, I ended up following Caitlin on Instagram. I mean, good on her. Making her breed, you know. A lot more people are tuning in. But it's the pettiness and the jealousy for me that I think is like towards her that I think is really cringe. Like, I'm like, oh, I think you should have been an engineer to build yourself a damn bridge and get over it. Because what the shit you're doing to her is kind of silly. Yeah. In my opinion. To be in it, perhaps for beautiful. Yeah, that's the main thing for me is for the kids, brother, and you know, and grandkids that may come into my life in the future. Kind of, you know, setting up a forever home for generations of my family once I'm well and truly gone. You know, that's kind of how I think about it. Yeah. That's the way I'm thinking about it when it comes to a house. Kind of like that. She also brought a lot of people interviewing WNBA. Yeah, bro. Yeah. I didn't even know about it until like the draft. Like I've been following the sister Alyssa Peely. She was initially who I was following because I watch Minnesota Lynx just for her. Because she's doing amazing things and inspiring, you know, young Polynesian girls all over the world. Just kind of what Steven Adams did. And Yeah, and then I caught wind of the Caitlin Clark stuff in. Yeah. Word on my sleep, man. I support Caitlin Clark more through all that drama. Yeah. Where you live? Aotearoa, New Zealand. I live in a volcano called Rotorua. Smells like rotten eggs due to all the sulfur, and yeah, the ground is slowly crusting away, ever so slowly. Pretty much. I'm not even lying, I live in a volcano. Yeah. When did you learn your skills? Still learning, brother. Learned when I was 12, upskilled in my 20s, and here we are today. Fucking with Bogo, others don't. Yeah, that's my opinion on it all. But yeah. So normally like 30 minutes left in the stream. I try and stream 3 hours minimum. If I'm feeling it, I'll go longer. But yeah, normally 30 minutes left in the stream. It's a wind down period, you know, just having like, it's kind of like just being around a table and talking shit with your co-workers, you know, kind of thing. Talking shit with the boys. You've been here since years. Good to see you again, brother. What's up, Ash? Yeah, I'm figuring out how to do live streams. For YouTube, brother. So I've started pumping that out. I'm trying to edit content myself. I'm trying to be that guy, you know, learn myself too. Like, I am losing followers on YouTube, but it's all good, you know, it happens. But yeah, trying to send it on the dual streaming stuff now because I really enjoy it, you know, connecting with the other audiences. Skittles gang? Kendrick. I like Kendrick's songs more than Drake's ones, to be honest. Yeah, I preferred all of Kendrick's ones. Personally. Sounding real snitchy. Was your friend? I didn't call busy. Yeah, I'm feeling Stairmaster today. Finish off with some rowing. By the time I'm done, should be, you know, enough time to have a shower and get ready to go pick up my kids and enjoy the rest of my day. I really want to do a gaming stream though, I just haven't had time to. Glad to see you still coming. Thank you, Mucky. Cheers, my brother. You ain't... Fuck, this is on. I wish I went to go watch P-Money when he was here. What's your favorite game to play? As of right now, I've been enjoying Mop Remix for World of Warcraft. And I still play GTA.
your own dick. I know your history, pussy. I always thought you was a neek. Attention seeking, half a clout. That's why you always fucking tweet. Borders kicked you out the sack and only gave you one street. How you call yourself a king when you can only rule a street? Yeah, I bet you thought back then I weren't around. Forgetting I wrote.
What time is it at your place? So it's currently almost 12:30. If I could, I'd start streaming at 6 in the morning. I'd really enjoy that. I try and I'm the type of person that likes to get a lot of stuff done on the morning side of 12. So this finishing time for me is it's good for me. It feels good. It definitely feels good to be finishing around this time. Hardhead, you hear Hardhead? Who's on? Who's on? And yeah, I've just noticed how much momentum we've been getting lately with sticking to just Whakairo in IRL streams when I can. It's been really good, so I'm probably gonna carry that momentum on. Couple rights, soon you might see the essays. Best you don't seek if you see the El Jefes. He's on. Oh, yeah. Laptop's flat. So, gang, you should mock. Who do we raid today? It's Pennsylvania. Hey, chill, brother. Yeah, that's gonna be me for today, chat. I'm gonna head to the gym now. Cheers for tuning in. Thank you very much for the auto on Twitch today. It's been popping off for the last few days, and I just want to keep going and providing streams and content for you guys more. And yeah, we'll carry it on. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm gonna call it there for today. Eco-friendly, veneers? I don't really have any thoughts on veneers. I wish I didn't have dentist phobia so I could get my teeth done. Yeah, I've got mad dentist phobia from primary school when they drilled into my fucking gums. Bloody dickheads. And yeah, I think that it's not a good phobia to have, to be honest. But yeah, for now, you just have a good day. I'm gonna go train now and get ready to spend the rest of the day with my kids. Have a good day. Ka kite. I'll post up the VODs when I'm finished packing down. Cha cha.